work. You see me have to work. You see me do me that. That's how me better work. When you walk a line, I'm in the cafe, man, that. Drive me a dessert.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll land.
Hi guys, and welcome to part 2 of our turban stroke head wrap style tutorial. If you haven't seen the part 1, I'll suggest you quickly check it out because I shared some beautiful styles in there. So for this style, I'm using the jersey scarf. That's what I used for all the styles I'm about to show you. So for this style, you make one side of your scarf into a double and then you tuck the other one inside, and then you spread and tuck each one of the double to the back like so. It might look a little funky in the beginning, but girl, that is why you need to trust the process. Okay, so you can bring the parts to the side or to the middle. They both give a very classy and elegant look. So yep, I'm tucking it in at the back. There you go, that is the finished look. At this point, you can adjust your scarf to how you like it to be. And yeah, go slay, okay? However, if you want a bit of volume in your scarf, I showed you how to make a band in the first video. So you make that band and then you put it right here before you fold it. You tuck it at the back. That's it for the first style. Let's move on to the second style. For this second look, you definitely need to have some form of volume at the back. So I'm going to roll one of my scarves into a bun like so. I put it on my forehead? No. Where is this place? What is this part of our head called? Okay, yeah, so you place it there at the back of your head and you simply tie your scarf at the back. Make sure the length on both sides is equal because you're going to use it for the rest of the styling. Next, we are going to have a twist moment where we twist both sides of our turban or our scarf. You twist it and then you wrap it around the bun nicely. Where the two sides meet at the back, you simply tie it up nicely. Do not make it too tight if you are someone with a sensitive scalp and you usually get headaches when you tie your hair. Do not tie it too tight. This is how it looks in the end. Let me give you a 360 as usual. So that's how it looks at the back. Oh my god, I love it. And that's it for the front, and this is for the other side as well. There you go. Let me know if you love this style. If you don't want to show your edges, make sure in the beginning when you're tying the scarf, you bring it forward to cover your edges. Okay. So for our third look, when you place your turban on your head, make sure the right and left side are equal in length, and then you tie a knot in front. After tying, if it looks funky, you could just fix it before you move on to the next step. Now, we are going to take the right side of our turban, fold it into two, and roll it towards the back to the left side as if it's going to meet the left tail. Same way, we are going to fold the left tail into double, and then we are going to tie it at the side. If it's beginning to look a little funky, do not worry, just trust the process, follow the steps, and once you are done, you can neaten it. You can make it perfect. Girls, that's it for our third look. Let me know what you think. Trust me, you can do this and make it look cuter than what I have just done. That's the thing. Sometimes the turbans and the head wraps, they don't be head wrapping. I really need to delete TikTok from my phone because nowadays I just be using the TikTok terms everywhere. So that's it. Sometimes when you're done, you need to fix the imperfections and then you have your look. For the fourth look, I don't have to talk too much. It's very quick and easy, as you can see. As usual, you put something at the back to give you some form of volume, and then you tie it at the back. When I started this video, I told myself I needed a little bit of sunlight, like to give me that sun-kissed effect. But God, I didn't mean for it to be this rough. So I'm just pulling down the blinds a little bit. Yes. And then let's continue our scarf. For this look, we are not going to twist it. You make each side into a double like so, and then you wrap it around your head, and then when it gets to the back, you tuck it in. You can either tuck it in or where both sides meet, you tie it. You just tie it. Yes. So that's what I'm doing now.
Say yon bad gal, yon real from black gal. Tourne yon bad man, tellement son hot gal. Your body so poison, let ou move en slow motion. Bet it that way, bet nan kouya doum jwen potion. Let work, let ou descend be babli, 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 babli. Let even be dirt. If I showed you how to slay your head wraps, if you use any of these styles without subscribing or liking or letting me know in the comment section which one is your favorite, when you do it, it will not look nice on you. It will not look nice because you took the style without any appreciation. So come on, I know you see the red button over there. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know which one you loved, which one you didn't like, or which one you think is easy, which one is difficult. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, okay? That's the only way you keep me going. That is what makes me feel like I'm actually helping someone out there. So please like, and I'll see you in my next one. I love you. Bye.